Welcome to Paybis. Today, we're diving into why buying Bitcoin with a credit card is a popular and advantageous choice. Bitcoin, created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto, has revolutionized the financial world. Over the past decade, Bitcoin has seen significant milestones, from its first transaction to becoming a major investment asset. The demand for Bitcoin has surged, driven by its decentralized nature and the potential for high returns. One major advantage is the speed of transactions. Buying Bitcoin with a credit card allows for near-instant transfers, meaning you can capitalize on market opportunities without delay. It's also incredibly easy. Just enter your card details and you're done. Credit cards are also widely accepted across various platforms, giving you more options on where to buy your Bitcoin. You can avoid the hassle and delay of bank transfers, making the process faster and more straightforward. Additionally, credit cards offer enhanced buyer protection, so you can have peace of mind knowing that you're protected against fraud. The demand for Bitcoin continues to grow, driven by its increasing acceptance by major companies and investors. Many view Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation, thanks to its fixed supply of 21 million coins. Unlike traditional fiat currencies, which can be printed in unlimited quantities, Bitcoin's scarcity adds to its value. Its global reach also means it can be used for a wide range of transactions, from online shopping to international payments. But the real question is, how can you buy Bitcoin with a credit card? It's simple. Head over to the Paybis website and either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. This can be done seamlessly on both desktop and mobile versions. Next, navigate to the Buy Bitcoin section and choose Credit Card as your payment method. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase and select your currency. If you don't have an account yet, you will be requested to complete a KYC verification process, which includes uploading an ID, taking a selfie, and providing some personal information. This step is crucial for ensuring the security of your transactions. After verifying your identity, enter your credit card details and confirm the purchase. Paybis ensures that your transaction is secure and swift. Once confirmed, your Bitcoin will be transferred to your external or Paybis wallet. It's that simple. Enjoy your newly purchased Bitcoin and the seamless experience Paybis provides. While Paybis is committed to providing a secure platform, it's crucial for users to understand that security also depends on their actions. Unfortunately, some customers have experienced scams despite our robust security measures. Always ensure that you are on the official Paybis website, double-check communications for authenticity, and never share your private keys or personal information with anyone. Our 24/7 support team is here to help you navigate safely. Start your Bitcoin journey with Paybis today. With its secure, fast, and reliable service, Paybis is your trusted partner in the crypto world. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our satisfied users on Trustpilot. Sign up now and experience the Paybis difference. Paybis, where ease meets security.